money's all gone and you lose your whip, you might lose your grip when the landlord tell you that you're due for rent. And the grass so green on the other side, make a nigga wanna run straight through the fence. Open up the fridge about 20 times, but you still can't find no food in it. That's foolishness. And sometimes I wonder why we care so much about the way we look and the way we talk and the way we act and the clothes we bought. How much that cost? Does it even really matter? Cause if life is an uphill battle, we all trying to climb with the same old ladder, in the same boat with the same old battle. Why so shallow? I'm just asking, what's the pattern to the madness? Everybody in the #1 draft pick, most of us ain't Hollywood actors. But if it's all for one and one for all, then maybe one day we all could ball. Do it one time for the underdogs. Sincerely yours from one of y'all.